For effective ways to fix QuickBooks Error 3371. Solution 1. Update your Windows operating system. Step 1. Navigate to Settings and check for updates. Step 2. If there are any updates available, install it. Solution 2. Delete the ECML file. Step 1. Press Windows plus or keys together at the same time and open the Run dialog box. Step 2. Enter C:\program data /intuit /entitlement client /v8 and click on OK. Step 3. This will open Window Explorer where the file is located. Step 4. Locate the file with ECML extension, but before you do anything to this file, make sure that QuickBooks is not running. Step 5. Open Task Manager and look for QuickBooks processes, right-click on them and select End Task. Step 6. Once done, go ahead and close the Task Manager. Step 7. Now, right-click on the ECML file and select Delete. Step 8. Then close the window and open the QuickBooks. Step 9. You'll be required to register the product. Solution 3. Run QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1. Firstly, close the QuickBooks software. Step 2. Then open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 3. If you don't have QuickBooks Tool Hub installed in your system, download the latest from. Step 4. Once the QuickBooks Tool Hub opens on the screen, select Installation Issues from the left panel. Step 5. Now, click on 3371 Error Fix option and click on OK. Step 6. Once it is done, start QuickBooks and open your data file to check if the error is fixed. Solution 4. Reinstall QuickBooks. Step 1. Go to Control Panel from the Windows Start menu. Step 2. Select Uninstall a program under Programs and Features. Step 3. From the list of programs, select QuickBooks. Step 4. Then select Uninstall/Change, Remove and then Next. Step 5. Once the uninstallation is done, before you proceed to reinstall, make sure that your computer meets the system requirements. Step 6. Download the latest version of QuickBooks and save the file on your desktop. Step 7. Have the product and license number handy. Step 8. Now, open the QuickBooks.exe file and follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Step 9. Accept the software license agreement and click Next. Step 10. Enter the product and license number and select Next. Step 11. After you complete the installation, open QuickBooks. Step 12. Navigate to the Help menu and select Activate QuickBooks Desktop. Step 13. Follow the verification steps on the screen to complete the process. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 or +44 800 0548 150.